In a formal and suddenly during the cocktail party, you talk, when you present your calling card, your name is so you receive it. If the glass would be in one hand, you receive it in one hand, in two hands. It should be in two hands. Because you're the one who's sitting it. It's a sign of like, okay. So, this is my name, you give it to her, then you make sure it has to. For support, fire to that. So, the name should be facing up like that. It's not like that. I already, this is already my name, so not only facing this one. It should be facing the person that you're about to call. Also, you want to
Sir, what if she received it and she doesn't have a lot of trust certificate? Within her words.
But you have to place in your hands. Of course, you don't place it. There's no way to place your card. You can hold it as long as you don't have hold your card. Or you don't place it in your bra. But for gentlemen, they have hold it just inside. Question. For the lady. For the coach. For formal. It should be dressed. Yes. If you're attending a cocktail party only, there are two. You wear a cocktail dress or formal dress. But you know that the party that you're about to attend is cocktail. Expect that you won't be sitting around. You'll be standing all night for the party. But remember, in the diplomat dinner, 6 to 7 is the usual time for cocktail. And 7 up is the usual time for dinner. So again, this is to remind there is no room or excuses for being late. So that's why cocktail party is even time frame to arrive earlier before the dinner. That is the purpose of the cocktail party.
There's asking if we're going to our shop,
Please on the back. Since you're not getting on the back of the chair. I didn't want some. I really have to do this. For example, okay, I think I have to do this. For example, this is your show. Okay, of course, your show you place it here, right? For example, you're having already a meeting. Of course, place it here and start having it. As long as you don't place it, remember, it's for your laundry. You don't ruin the beauty of the chair. Okay? So now you go. You cannot not place your shawl just like your fingers laundry clothes.
Sir, I have a question here about if aware of the formal dress, okay, but I'm aware of the formal dress, like a meeting, maybe
it's okay as long as it's not formal. That's why when you go for a diplomat dinner, it would be better if you don't have an idea what to wear. I would advise to have a stylist. Even for friends not who really know how to dress up, you better. Or to save money from your stylist, you try to research in the internet because a lot of it already posted in the internet on how to dress up for. There are a lot of websites where they can help you out what to wear for this kind of theme dinner, especially if you'll be attending a theme But again, if it's a team dinner, you have to follow the team. So don't. If the team would be Filipino dresses, like barong for gentlemen, sano for babae, then the lady should wear terno. You shouldn't be wearing any American or French or couture dresses. Because it's stated there that terno for the ladies, gentlemen, barong. So, it's already in your invitation. So that's why when you receive invitation for a very formal dinner, you have to read the invitation. Because there might be information there in the invitation that should be formal.
And after receiving your cinema, what can happen like departments?
Alright, usually in the dinner, for example, dessert, they will serve coffee. It's basically everyone can already go slowly. As long as you are done with the dinner, it's alright. There's nothing wrong with it all. That's the moment, actually that is the moment, or that's the moment where all guests wanted already to jump on another table or another. That's alright. There's nothing wrong with that. As long as you're having already your coffee and you wanted to talk, usually it can be possible. No, don't bring your coffee to the table. If you have your coffee with you and then you're about to transfer to another table which there's an empty chair, you may add another coffee from the waitstaff. Never bring your coffee and transfer it to another table. Wine could be, because you can bring your wine glass and then go there, hey, how are you by the way? If this is taken, wala, likod ka, so then we'll bring your wine glass. But never coffee. Never coffee. Remember, if this is so you'll be drinking coffee at the same time with creamer. For example, I'm already my coffee. Of course, again, the waiter will give you your sugar and creamer. You have your coffee with you. Since you're not done and you're not in coffee, you read this one? No. You leave it there. You may ask the waste of the transfer. It could be ask the waste of the transfer. But as much as possible, do not delay. You can ask for another one. Anyways, let's keep going coffee.
Now, what if you come into the party or the dinner already like, the coffee and like, you don't know anyone? Yeah. Only the host will the host is not yet.
That's why you have to talk in the cocktail. So that you can gain friends. Because if you just stay in one area,
Impolite na siya. Very impolite.
Yes, sir.
by introducing yourself to the person that you want to talk to. No, you don't have to do that at feeling close. Okay, thank you for telling me that. If you're about like, hi, I'm Mr. Gonzalez. I'm Mr. Escalante. How are you today? And by the way, that's the moment that you gave your calling card. But if the guest or the person that you're with and suddenly you change the topic and talk to another friend, you just listen and then